El Diablo is a classic tequila-based cocktail with a spicy kick. Traditionally made with Crème de Cassis and ginger beer for a balanced blend of sweet and spicy tastes. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces tequila, preferably a good quality. Reposado tequila, ½ ounce Crème de Cassis, a sweet, dark red liqueur made from black currants, ½ ounce lime juice. Freshly squeezed for best taste, 3 ounces, ginger beer. Use a good quality ginger beer with a strong flavor. Optional lime wheel, for garnish. Optional crystallized ginger, for garnish. For equipment you will need: cocktail shaker, highball glass, bar spoon, jigger, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add tequila, crème de cassis, and lime juice to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Fill a highball glass with ice. Strain the mixture from the shaker into the highball glass over the ice. Top off with 3 ounces of ginger beer. Stir gently with a bar spoon to combine. Garnish with a lime wheel and crystallized ginger if desired. El Diablo is a lesser-known classic cocktail that dates back to the 1940s and was popularized by Trader Vic's, a famous tiki restaurant chain. The use of ginger beer and crème de cassis leads to a delightful interplay of spicy and sweet flavors.